Hello and welcome back to the ATA Event app. Today I'll be showing you how to get around using maps. So the Event app offers two types of maps to help you get around. The Venue map is an interactive map that links up with the program sessions and exhibitors. Through here you can find out which rooms hold which sessions, and you can also locate your favourite exhibitor booths. Any area with a glowing section can be selected to display further information, and you can zoom in and drag the screen for a better view. The other map available on the app is called the City Map. As you can see, we have already placed markers on the map to identify the venues and our partnering hotels, which can help with orientation. Just like other map apps, the more you zoom in, the more detail you can see. You can also view marked items through the list view for easier navigation. Selecting the three dots on the top right of your screen where an option to get directions will appear will take you through to a relevant map app on your smartphone for further information.